When you search for the best liquid Castile soaps, everything looks the same. Same claims, same pretty packaging. But to find out which ones truly work for your eco-friendly self-care, you have to dig a little deeper.
Product number 1, Whole Naturals Pure Castile Soap. Priced at $28.88, this unscented soap caught my eye because it's EWG verified and certified palm oil free. If you want a truly natural soap that's gentle on your skin, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this soap is a solid choice for you. It's made with organic plant-based ingredients and it's 2 to 3 times more concentrated than typical soaps. This means you get more soap per bottle, which translates to less packaging waste, a big win for the environment. Plus, it's a great option for dry or sensitive skin, thanks to its blend of oils like prickly pear and jojoba that hydrate without clogging pores. The 64 fluid ounce size is perfect for everything from body wash to laundry detergent. Now, I will say some folks mentioned that the unscented formula feels a bit too mild for their liking. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a soap without added fragrances or essential oils, that might actually be a plus for you. This is perfect for you if you prioritize eco-friendly ingredients and have sensitive skin. Skip this one if you're someone who loves scented products. For the amount you get, it's definitely a good value. Now, if the mildness of Whole Naturals bothered you, this next one might take a different approach with a refreshing scent.
Product number 2, Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream. We have the Gold Bond Healing Hand Cream, priced at just $3.98. This is a steal if you're looking for a hand cream that hydrates dry hands without breaking the bank. If you want all-day hydration, this one's definitely worth checking out. What I love about this is its formula, featuring 7 moisturizers and 3 vitamins that help restore the moisture barrier. It's clinically shown to keep your hands hydrated for up to 24 hours, even after frequent hand washing. Ideal for anyone who washes their hands a lot. It's great for work or home. Plus, it's non-greasy, so you won't be left with that annoying sticky feeling. It's been bought over 30,000 times recently, so it seems to be doing something right. However, some users mention that it has a light scent that might not be for everyone. But honestly, if you don't mind a subtle fragrance, it's a minor flaw compared to the hydration and protection this cream offers. This is perfect for busy people who need quick and effective relief for dry hands. But skip this if you prefer fragrance-free products or have energy-sensitive skin. Product number 3, Yokin Pure Castile Liquid Soap. Let's talk about Yokin Pure Castile Liquid Soap. At $8.96, this unscented soap stands out for being EWG verified and made with organic oils. If you're looking for a gentle soap that's also budget-friendly, this could be the one for you. What's great about Yokin soap is that it's 2 to 3 times more concentrated than regular soaps, so you really get your money's worth. It's made without any synthetic chemicals, making it mild enough for sensitive skin. You can use it for everything, from body wash to pet shampoo. This versatility can save you from cluttering your shelf with multiple products. However, some users have noted that it doesn't lather as much as traditional soaps. Here's the thing, if you prefer a richer lather, this might be a downside, but if you're after gentle cleansing, it's still highly effective. This is perfect for you if you're eco-conscious and want a multi-use soap that won't irritate your skin. Skip this one if you really need a strong lather. For the price, it's an exceptional option. Now, if the less foamy experience was a turnoff for you, the next product offers a more luxurious lather. Product number 4, Webe Pure Unscented Castile Liquid Soap. We have the Webe Pure Unscented Castile Liquid Soap, which comes in a generous 64-ounce refill size for $19.99. This one caught my attention because it's so versatile. You can use it for your face, body, laundry, and even your pets. If you want an all-in-one solution, stick around. Webe soap is made with organic olive oil, making it gentler and more moisturizing for those with dry or sensitive skin. It's free from toxins and synthetic ingredients, which is a big deal for anyone worried about what's going on their skin. Plus, the bulk refill option helps cut down on plastic waste, so you're being kind to the planet. Some users mention that it can feel a bit too thin and watery compared to thicker soaps. But honestly, if you're looking for something that's pure and effective without unnecessary additives, it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a versatile soap that's safe for the whole family. Skip this if you prefer a thicker texture. Given its size, it's definitely a good value for money. Now, if the thin consistency bothered you, the last product on our list is a bit thicker and might suit your needs better. Product number 5, Dr. Bronner's Pure Castile Magic Soap Liquid in Almond. At about $9.72 for an 8-ounce bottle, this one has become a favorite for many, and for good reason. If you're into organic ingredients and want something that works for a variety of uses, you might want to hear this. This almond-scented soap also features a rich, thick lather that rinses clean, which is super satisfying. Like the peppermint version, it's made with over 70% organic and certified fair trade ingredients. That means you can feel good about what you're putting on your skin. It's also 3 times more concentrated than most soaps, so you can dilute it for different uses, whether it's for your hair, dishes, or even cleaning your home. Some users did mention that the almond scent isn't as strong as they'd like. Here's the deal though, if you appreciate a more subtle fragrance while you clean, this might actually be a bonus for you. This is perfect for you if you want a multi-use soap that's gentle and effective. Skip this if you prefer a strong scent. For the quality and versatility, it's a solid buy. So there you have it, the top 5 best liquid Castile soaps for eco-friendly self-care. From the mild and concentrated wool naturals to the versatile Dr. Bronner's options, there's something here for everyone. Choose the one that fits your needs and make your self-care routine not only effective, but also kind to the planet.